In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the Google Flights map. Traveling is an adventure that requires planning, especially when you're looking to get the best deals on flights. One awesome tool that can help with this is Google Flights, specifically its map feature. Now, if you're wondering what makes the Google Flights map so special, it's the ability to visually explore flight options from various destinations at a glance. Whether you're planning a trip far in advance or looking for last-minute deals, understanding how to navigate this feature can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive into the steps to get you exploring the world of Google Flights via its map. First off, you'll need to head over to Google Flights. Simply type https://www.google.com/travel/flights into your web browser's address bar. This will take you directly to the Google Flights interface, which is user-friendly and ready to assist in your travel planning endeavors. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage of Google Flights. Before you can begin exploring all that Google Flights has to offer, it's best to access the full extent of features by signing into your Google account. So, look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll find the Sign In button waiting for your click. After clicking the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one you wish to use for your travel planning. This might be your personal account or perhaps one designated for travel and leisure activities. Following your account selection, you'll need to enter your password. Take a moment to type in your Google password carefully. Remember, this step is crucial for verifying your identity and keeping your account secure. Once you've entered your password, go ahead and click Next. This will complete the sign-in process and you'll be fully logged into Google Flights. Being signed in ensures you can save your searches, receive personalized recommendations, and much more. Now, the fun begins as we dive into the core of today's tutorial using the map feature on Google Flights. Start by choosing your location. This is where you'll be flying from. It could be your current location or a different city if you're planning a trip starting elsewhere. After selecting your starting point, it's time to choose your destination. Here's where the map feature begins to shine. You can either type in a specific destination or use the map to explore possibilities. If you're open to inspiration, simply browsing the map can spark ideas for your next adventure. Next up, choose your departure dates. Google Flights offers a flexible range of options, allowing you to select exact dates, look for trips within a certain month, or explore the cheapest options available over the next few months. This flexibility is perfect for both precise planning and spontaneous adventures. Once you have your dates set, click on Done to confirm your choices. This step narrows down the search and gets you closer to finding the perfect flight. Now, here's where the map truly comes into play. Click on Explore to transition from the traditional list view to a comprehensive map showcasing all available flights that meet your criteria. This visual representation allows you to see various flight options spread across different destinations, making it easier to compare prices and determine what fits best within your budget and travel preferences. At this point, you will see all available Google Flights in the map view. This interactive map lets you zoom in on different regions, hover over cities to get a quick glance at prices, and click on any location to get more detailed flight information. What's fantastic about the Google Flights map is the ability to visually compare how prices fluctuate based on different destinations. It's a fantastic tool for budget-conscious travelers or anyone looking to explore multiple options before making a final decision. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of tips to enhance your Google Flights map experience. Firstly, make use of the filters. Google Flights allows you to filter results based on a variety of factors including price range, airlines, and flight duration. Secondly, don't forget to check out the price graph feature, which provides insights into how prices might change in the near future, helping you decide the best time to book. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to viewing flights on Google Flights using the map feature. Whether you're planning your next vacation, visiting family, or just exploring potential getaways, Google Flights Map is a powerful tool to add to your travel planning toolkit. It's designed to make your life easier, your choices clearer, and your adventures more exciting. Thank you for joining me, and here's to your next journey taking off smoothly.